Hi, I wanted to share with you today one of the rare times that I've been in the kitchen cooking. So, if you know me, you know I don't really like to cook. I'm not much of a cook. I'm not a big fan of it, but I love to eat. So I tried to make some healthy things around here, and I wanted to share with you what I'm making today. And it's almost summer here in Vegas. It actually feels like summer. However, I like to eat soup year round. And so that's what I'm making today. And I'm making a bean soup. And I got this package. It's an all-natural soup mix, 7-blend, grain-free package. It has kidney beans, and green split peas, organic mung beans, yellow split peas, organic white kidney beans, green lentils, red lentils, and it is no artificial colors, flavors, preservatives. It's non-GMO. It's 100% natural. So it is cooking right now. I wish you guys could smell it. It does smell good, and so I have that, and it's really high in fiber and protein. And I find it interesting. I always laugh when people ask me, because I'm vegetarian, where do you get your protein? Well, it's things like this, beans and lentils. They are packed full of protein and fiber. So then what I do is I put some vegetable broth, organic vegetable broth in it. And then, I put some spices in it. And one of the spices that I'm putting in it is, and this is a plug for Dina Lynn, a Timeless Turmeric. And if you haven't heard of it, please go to her page, Timeless Turmeric. Love, love, love. This is a highly quality turmeric. It's the best turmeric that I have found, and it is delicious. Even though turmeric doesn't really have a great taste, it smells and actually tastes good. So I'm putting some of that in there. Turmeric helps with, joints. It's an anti-inflammatory. And if you haven't checked out Dina Lynn, actually we did a video interview. She actually was also a guest on my TV show, Here's to Your Health. And then we did a Facebook Live video. So if you haven't checked her out, please check her out either on my page or her page. And I'll find out all about it. And she's got a great story and how turmeric, had healed her. So that is what I'm doing, and I'm having the soup simmer right now, and then I will, in fact, I think you could probably see the steam coming up. So that is what I'm going to have for dinner, plus, a nice green, healthy salad as well. So anyway, that's my cooking video. I'm so proud of myself because, like I said, I don't really cook. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will share other cooking videos as the mood comes about. Thank you.